Protolabs has simplified the often complex production process to make manufacturing end-use parts as easy as possible for you. Let's walk through the steps. It all starts with talking with our manufacturing experts. When you partner with us, an entire team of production experts are there to support you. Next, we find the best way to manufacture your production order by tapping into our in-house capabilities along with our network of manufacturing partners. You'll get world-class customer support and a dedicated point of contact throughout the entire process. When you're ready, finalize and approve your order directly in ProDesk, our intuitive online platform. Our interactive technology simplifies online order management, providing user-friendly organization of your production runs and transparency to other departments within your company. On injection molding orders, for example, you'll receive sample parts to make sure that the tooling produces the functionality, fit, and finish you expect. Once you give us the go-ahead, production begins. When we manufacture orders through our own in-house factories, your design is translated into digital instructions, then production begins on presses, mills, 3D printers, or other equipment. We also manufacture orders via our network of trusted suppliers, which offer advanced capabilities and can be more cost-efficient in some cases. Our online platform matches your order requirements with an experienced manufacturer with proven production expertise. Ongoing quality checkpoints ensure accuracy to your original design. We have industry-standard certifications globally, and U.S. facilities are ITAR compliant. Certifications are also available through our supplier network. Orders manufactured through our network are quality inspected on-site. Inspected parts are then packaged, shipped, and tracked until they arrive at your office. Congratulations! Your production order is complete. From beginning to end, it's usually a matter of days or weeks. Protolabs' digital manufacturing ecosystem is engineered to make your production experience seamless. If you need quality parts fast and a team of production experts at your fingertips, we're ready for you. Start your next production project today at Protolabs.